I'm going to show you one of my teaching tools for the AI course that I teach at University of British Columbia. It's a simple Hello World command line application coded in Python that integrates the OpenAI API in order to translate the text Hello World into a language of your choice. Complete setup instructions are in the README. To run this, you will need Python installed on your dev machine, and you'll need an OpenAI API key. But I put detailed instructions in the README in case you'll be creating an API key for the first time. All right, here we go. These 5 commands are all copy and paste to the command line of a terminal window in macOS or PowerShell in Windows. First, you're going to clone this repo to download the source code to your dev machine. CD into the newly created OpenAI Hello World folder. Now run make init. This will create a Python virtual environment inside of this folder, and it'll pip install the OpenAI PyPI library. Your project is now set up and it's ready to run. Now run source activate to activate the Python virtual environment that you just created. Run python-m app.helloworld to run the application. And your response should be similar to this one. The actual command line instructions that you just ran are saved in a file named makefile located in the root of the repo in case you'd like to see more about how these commands actually work. And there you go! You're now running OpenAI in Python. This code follows a lot of important best practices that I cover in other videos in this channel. So like and subscribe if you found this helpful and you want to learn more about doing full stack development the right way. Thanks for watching.